Hey everyone, the Darpan magazine team is at the making of the July-August cover story. Not too long ago, we brought you the completion when it comes to the structural side of Flamingo. That is courtesy of Tien Sher group of companies to revitalize the Wali district. And now we are bringing you the man behind it, the CEO and president of the Tien Sher group of companies, Mr. Sethi. Stay with us for more. What does it mean for you to be as the cover story for the July-August issue?
I think getting the message out to our community itself, anything is possible. I think for me, it's very strong that people put barriers in front of them. I don't have a barrier. I basically say I can do pretty much anything I want to do, but you have to put a lot of hard work into it.
Right.
So for me, anything's possible.
That's great. I love that attitude, that you're unstoppable.
I mean, besides, everybody develops health issues sooner or later. I haven't developed anything yet, so which is a good thing.
Yes.
So we'll see. I mean, I keep on going as long as I can. It's like one of the ever-ready rabbits. I keep on going.
Yeah, it's great.
Till the battery runs out. It's something I enjoy.
Right.
It's very creative. It's, you take a piece of land, you envision what's going to be built on it, and actually build it. Then you see happy faced people moving in.
Sethi is a senior to us, and he's pioneer in this area. Charan and his boys, they've done an amazing job, and there's lots to come. It's for us as a South Asians, it's a matter of pride and inspiration for younger developers.
Tien Sher has been one of our favorite clients. We've done many projects with them. I'm just so happy that me and the rest of our team could celebrate with Charan and the rest of his team today.
Hope you enjoyed the making of the July-August cover of Darpan magazine. We are looking forward to bringing you the success story of real estate developer Mr. Sethi, who graces the cover story of the July-August issue. Until next time, I'm Sharma for Darpan magazine.